Okay, so we're gonna take some spray. We're going to coat each one of these. Then you're gonna take your fingers and you're gonna squish this part up. This is a great thing for little kids to do. And you're just gonna squish it and make sure it comes up the side. Kids are so good at squishing. Take our apple pie filling and we're just gonna drop those in. Now, these apples are really big for these little pies, so I'm just gonna take my kitchen scissors and I'm just gonna clip those so it's not such a big hunky chunky bite. Ready to go. We're gonna cook from 14 to 18 minutes at 375. Look how cute these are. And this is, again, this is such a fun one with kids. They can do this. We can go back and forth. The higher you go, the thinner the lines. Look, we'll just drizzle right over here. Maybe this one we'll do in circles. All right, over here, we're gonna go back to lines and just have the kids decorate these. Oh, but they're so delicious and so easy to make that these ones are just a huge hit with our family.
These are so good and so easy. This is a perfect, easy, simple pie to make with kids or your grandkids. They'll love it. The apple with the cinnamon is just fabulous. Have fun.